job options or opportunities for people with autism. It's like your kid with autism is a gift wrap. Okay, so you have to open the gift wrap to see what's inside. That's where majority of people find it difficult. There are a lot of children that I'm seeing who have become vloggers. Yeah. So what is basically needed is to work on the 5 finger model. But today the options are endless. So don't worry about what they will do. They will themselves show you their interest, but then prepare them to reach that place. Hello and welcome everyone. Rajni from Sashakt Empowering Lives. Yet another time with yet another video. A warm welcome to all the old people and extra warm welcome to all the new people. Yeah. Just a quick introduction. My name is Rajni. I'm a special educator, now 18 years of work experience. Our motto, to bring quality autism education to every household from our channels. And letting the parents know that autism is just a neurodivergent condition. It is not a disability. And your child with autism is pretty much capable of doing anything and everything that anybody else would do. So, on that note, let us very quickly get started. What is our topic today? Today, we are going to be talking about job options or opportunities for people with autism. Yeah, so for some of you, it might be like, oh, come on, my child is just doing ABC, is very young. So, for those, this specific topic may not be of relevance as in today, but over a period of time, of course, you're going to need it. But for those whose children are grown up, this topic is going to be of immediate relevance. So, lots of times parents ask me this question that what to look forward to, like in terms of a job, in terms of business. So, my answer is very simple. With autism, you have something known as a hyper focus and a hypo focus. Yeah. And resulting that there is some area where they are just brilliant. They are just too good. Now, a lot of people say, Rajni, that is misleading. Not every kid on the spectrum. No, every kid on the spectrum. Every kid on the spectrum. Because with condition called autism, there is a gene which is called DRD4 gene, which is the novelty seeking gene. And you can go look it up. That is the novelty seeking gene, which means that these people will do certain things which you and me probably won't even think of. So when somebody says not every kid with autism, just stop them there. Yes, every kid with autism. It's just that there are challenges around language, behavior, social, and the consequent challenges around self-help skills and academic skills because the language is not in place, because the behaviors are, all over the place. Because of that, the other skills which the child is not able to learn. And so day-to-day sustenance becomes difficult. How to look for the special talent. But that doesn't mean the talent doesn't exist. It does. It's like your kid with autism is a gift wrapped. Okay, so you have to open the gift wrap to see what's inside. That's where majority of people find it difficult. But having said this, they all have some unique talent. And when we push them forward towards their unique talent is when they are doing their best, whether a job or business. Now, let me explain what I mean. My son Jay, very, very good with cooking, making pastries and stuff. And that too in the cooking section, not oriental. I mean, he's good with it, but not that kind of passion. As is with making pastries, different kinds of pastries. Yeah. So there is no point pushing him to do maths, pushing him to do a CBSE. Rather, the sensible thing as I felt when he was growing up was to give him an NIOS kind of a curriculum where he's able to manage the studies easy. NIOS is also not very, very easy, but it's comparatively easy. And secure himself good marks. And NIOS is absolutely applicable anywhere else. So he could do his 10th, he could do his 12th. 12th, of course, was state board. He got a chance with state board. So, and he wanted to move, so we moved him. And then he did his graduation. But everything was in the subject of his choice. Now, a lot of parents will say, how do I find out the subject of the child's choice? He's all the time shouting, he's running, he's banging his head, he's not listening. So those are the problems that we have to take care of. And that is why the five finger model. That is why we do the webinars. We train the parent to, do the pre-vocational, as I would say. If we're talking vocation, do the pre-vocational so the child is ready. Yeah. So we're getting the parent to reach the place where at least they can look at a vocational curriculum, like, okay, what is my kid going to do? Is he going to assemble computers? Is he going to do data entry? Is he going to do cooking? So there are many more things. Is there something else that the child is interested in? What is it that my kid is interested in? There are a lot of children that I'm seeing who have become vloggers, yeah, the video bloggers, and the YouTubers. So what is basically needed is to work on the five finger model, eliminate behaviors, okay, increase their language using the pyramid approach. So if you want to learn more about this, we do lives on Tuesday, 7 to 7:30. That is English YouTube, Hindi YouTube. Now we've added Hindi YouTube also, and Instagram. All three, 7 to 7:30 Tuesdays. And we do autism masterclass on either Thursdays or Fridays. The link to that is given in the description box, where it is 7 to 9:30, where we teach you. Teach is not a very appropriate word, where I facilitate you to learn the autism specific skills so that you parent the child effectively and the behaviors are gone, the language improves, they can make friends, they are independent enough to do household activities, and the basic education they can achieve. This much you have to first get done with, only then look at a job kind of thinking. A lot of parents come to me and say, we will open a shop and sit him. What do you mean you will open a shop and sit him there? How is he going to talk to vendors? How is he going to manage the money in the galla? How is he going to understand which material is more demand and so I need to order this one more? How is anything like exigency management going to happen? Oh, this one didn't reach on time. I have orders, whatever that is. So then money dealing, how much, to take, how much to give back. Now for all of this, we have to get done with the basics first. So get done with the basics and then you will see when the child is able to tell you in his or her words, or through their actions, they're doing some painting. So many of our students are making malas, necklaces. So then their brother or sister sibling will help make a Facebook page, will do a live, will show the collection. And here you go, the boy is earning money by selling malas. So there are many options that can be exercised, especially in today's time. Initially, when so many years ago, it was a doctor and engineer or IS. So parents would say what to do, or teacher for girls. But today, the options are endless. So don't worry about what they will do. They will themselves show you their interest. If they're doing one specific kind of thing, they just don't like to get out of the kitchen. It is hotel management. But then prepare them to reach that place. And the world is also opening up. Once your child is, not giving any behaviors, is aware of what to do, okay, is aware of the surroundings, is independent enough to handle life on their own, organizations will come forward and give them an employment. So don't worry about which specific skills, because it's not like Sunar ka beta Sunar. Yeah. So don't worry about which skills which area my child should go and have a job in. What you should be concerned about is, are they job market ready? So work on that, and thereafter, whatever they show their inclination towards. And I'm saying this with absolute honesty. If my son would have said, no kitchen, I want to make shoes, I would have found out a course that helps him to design shoes and then pushed him that side. So do what your kid wants to do, okay? Just push the child towards that, but before that, get them ready to be at that level where at least they can communicate with you and tell you what is it that they want to do. And then they will take it up on their own because of the DRD4 gene. I hope this video was of value. If you found value, like, subscribe, share with somebody who will benefit. Write down in the comments what do you think, what else is in your head as a question. We'll make videos on it. And you want to learn further the 5-finger model, how to get your child life ready and job ready and independent. Yeah, come on in, join us for our lives and our autism masterclass. And I shall see you another time with another video.